everyone, my name is Katya, and today I'm going to show you how to make this star wreath or decoration piece. I'll show you how to make the pom-poms and how to attach them. It's a fun and easy project, so let's get to it and create something great. For this project, I'm using number 4 medium weight yarn. I have it in 3 colors, red, white, and green. You're also going to need scissors and some sort of a comb to comb out our little pom-poms we're going to be making. You're also going to need your hot glue gun and some sort of a wooden shape. Here I have my star, and I bought mine at my Dollar Tree, and it measures about 10 inches. My pom-poms measure about 2 inches each. To make a pom-pom, wrap your yarn around your 3 fingers, hold your tail with your thumb, and loosely wrap it about 40 times. Once your yarn is wrapped, you can go ahead and cut it and carefully remove it. Now what you need is another piece of yarn about 12 inches, like so. Go ahead and place a 12-inch piece of yarn, and on top of it place your yarn bundle right in the center. And what we're going to do is we're going to knot it right in the middle, like so, and I'm tying a knot. Now what I like to do is, once you tied it, go ahead and turn your work and try to tighten it one more time. Make a knot as tight as you can, like that. And I like to knot it one more time, like so. This is how it looks like so far. Using these tails, hold on to your pom-pom, and using our scissors, we're going to go ahead and cut these loops. Like so. Next thing I like to do is trim my ends, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and trim away my extra yarn pieces. This is how it looks like. Now you can stop here, or you can go ahead and use your comb and comb out your yarn tails, like so. And it makes the pom-pom fuzzier. So I'm carefully brushing it out. I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut any of the extras that I have, like that. And this is how I make my pom-poms. So here I made my pom-poms. Now you can always make more or less, it just depends on your shape. And last thing I need to do before I start gluing them on is cut my tails, like this. And your pom-pom is ready. Using my star shape, I like to glue on my pom-poms on the corner of my star. So for each corner, I'm going to choose a different color, like so. And then once I have that ready, I'm going to go ahead and glue them on first. Using my hot glue, I like to glue on my pom-pom right on the first corner, like so. I kind of like to press it down a little bit. And then I'm going to repeat on the other ends of my star. Once you have your pom-poms glued on your corner, go ahead and use your other pom-poms and fill up the corners of each star, like I have here. And what I like to do is I like to place them before I glue them just to see how it looks like. And that's what I'm doing here. Like so. And once I'm happy with the placement of my pom-poms, I'm going to go ahead and glue them on. Same way as I did on this one's right over here. Once you have your corners all done, you can go ahead and fill up the center of the star using your pom-poms. Here I'm just placing my pom-poms to see how it looks like before I start gluing them, like that. I'm pushing them out a little bit so they can cover some of this wood that's showing. And once I'm happy, I'm going to go ahead and glue these ones on. This is how it looks like. So now that I did all the edges of my star, next is I'm just going to fill in the center, same exact way. And if I need to make more pom-poms, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do this 3, and then I'm going to make 3 more pom-poms because I ran out. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the space that I have left. And I feel like that should be enough. So I'm going to go ahead and glue on this pom-poms. Now all I'm going to do is just fluff them up a little bit. And your star is finished. Here's my finished star. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.